Hi, everyone, it's Louise with Louise Make Art, and welcome to our Thursday Night Rock and Pour collaboration. We have some good things in store for you tonight. We have me coming up here in a second. We have Lori Houston Art coming up at 6:45, and Angela Bliss Art finishing us up at 7 o'clock. Now, I just want to take a moment to explain what I'm doing tonight. I'm doing the Pearl Bloom portion of a side-by-side comparison that I did with the Jessica Winterstrom Faux Pillow technique. So what you're going to see tonight is the full creation of the Pearl Bloom technique with the same paints, the same setup, and the same, as much as I can, everything as Jessica Winterstrom's, and I will do hers in a later episode. So for right now, we're going to do that for tonight, and let's get you down the canvas. Hi everyone, it's Louise with Louise Make Art, and I'm back with you today to do part 2 of a Jessica Winterstrom and my trial test experiment. So this morning I did a Jessica Winterstrom piece, and by now, if I have the video number, I'll put it up there. And now I'm going to do a purling bloom swipe of my own with the same colors and the same laydown. So I want to see how they perform side by side with each other. So I have the same colors. This is my Prism Pour Chantilly Lace in Golden's. Ooh, this is way thick. I gotta thin this down. All right, pillows going down. Iridescent Pearl. This is Fandango by Prism Pour, and Pebio's Iridescent Green. Sea Glass by TLP. Mostly QNAG with a little bit of copper by Golden. Sky Blue by Amsterdam with some Blue Eyes by TLP. And this is Treasure Gold's Blue Quartz with mostly Amsterdam's bluish green and a little bit of Golden Cerulean Blue. I've got my Australian Floetrol Cell Activator over here, my gold and my white. I'll have everything listed in the description. And I'm going to put down my Multi-Pro white pillow in a minute. And I'm going to be using my Sherwin-Williams Color to Go. Ah, here it is. Can't read anything on anyway, but it's Sherwin-Williams Color to Go as my topper. Okay, let's get started. Give it a spin. Stretch it out a little bit. Okay, so we'll go with that. Now, I'm going to lay down, I'm going to lay down my colors, my little spreader. So I'm using my little pieces of tape here as a reference. So I'm going to have two kind of lines going on both sides. That's how I did it on the other one, and I want to do the same thing again. All right, everyone, so since laying down the color is very laborious to me and takes so much time, I'm going to fast forward through this section. Okay, with the large spreader, I'm gonna go bloop, mess under there I can see. I don't want the white. Let me clean this thing up real quick. More black down. Look at this crazy, crazy, crazy thing. All right, swipe time. Look at this. This is insane. Here we go. The magic show's already started. I gotta work quick. White first and then the gold. Oh my lord. I can't keep up with this stuff. It's way too fast. It's just reacting on its own. It's purling. It's almost like a weird similar reaction that the satin enamel from DecoArt has with the pearl pour as this color to go has to the bloom. All right, so I'm going to follow the line. Swipe number 1. Swipe number 2, other direction. Okay, so my 2 lines of where the colors were. And now I'm going to play around a little bit. So through here I'm going to be scooping and dragging, trying to find the color underneath and also some swiping. And I'll clean the palette knife every time afterward, but I'm going to be starting to delete that from the video as we go along. This sure is colorful. Holy smokes. Did I miss the colors on this side? It is missing colors. But maybe that's okay. Black and the white. I want to give the black a chance to spread uninterrupted. So I'm not going to speed up or cut out this spin because I wanted you to see how long I'm letting it just spin freely, giving the black a chance to have the centrifugal force help spread it toward the edges uninterruptedly. So when it stops spinning, I'm going to just clean up and skip that section too. but I will cut out the cleanup portion afterward. Sure is a messy technique. And I'm glad I'm putting less pillow down, less white pillow. Oh, look at that. Look at that white come right through there. That's not what I want. I'm going to have to dunk that guy. It's definitely just pillow there. Which I don't want that. I don't know if I can dunk it. Oh, darn it. See, darn it, I should have known better than that. Should have known better. Well, it might create an interesting moon. As soon as I started doing it, I thought, no, it's just going to spread, and it did. Lesson learned there is definitely trust your gut. Let's play some more. Just a completely different vibe with this crazy, crazy paint. Woof. See, I need something over here. This is way too stark through here. So let's. All right, a couple more spins maybe. And then I can already start seeing the pearls forming everywhere. Okay, it's going to happen really quick at this point. Everything's going to start to develop very fast. So I'm going to try to clean it up quickly and get it where I can get a picture of it. All right, so that's where we are, everybody. I'm going to get it down as quickly as possible. Take off my markers. So everyone, that's essentially a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell. You'll get all my latest tutorials. Plus, it'd be really nice to read your comments and thoughts, and a thumbs up would be great too. So here are some photos. This is immediately off the spinner. This is one day afterward, and this is the comparison of the two together. And upcoming is the Jessica Winterstrom Faux Pillow attempt I made with the same colors, and the photo coming up are the two side by side for comparison. So with that, let's head on over to JoSonja Art. Following her will be Angela Bliss Art. Everybody take care, till next time.